For if you want a meal that's not too heavy but still filling. And I'm gonna show you how to make them. First, you're gonna start with some nice sized russet potatoes. Those are the best kinds for baking. You're gonna put them in the oven at 400 for about an hour or until they're nice and soft. When they come out the oven, let them cool down before scooping out the insides. And make sure not to scoop out too much because you don't want the potatoes to break. While that's cooling down, you're gonna saute some shrimp in a pan with some butter. And then for the filling, combine the shrimp, the insides of the potato, chives, butter, cheese, and heavy cream. And you're gonna season that mixture. For the sauce, all you gotta do is saute some garlic and onions. Then you're gonna add a little white wine, heavy cream, and Parmesan cheese. And then you're gonna season that. You want to season every step because we build in flavor. You're going to let the sauce thicken up a little bit, and then you're going to stuff the potatoes with the filling, put them back in the oven for another 10 minutes, and when they come out, you're going to top it with that sauce. And the best part about this recipe is that you literally can use any protein. You can use shrimp, chicken, steak. I only use shrimp because that's what I had, but I promise it's going to be fire with any one of them.
How you make a McDonald's snack wrap at home in under 20 minutes. Slice some chicken breasts into strips, lay some saran wrap on top, and then flatten them out using a mallet. For the crispy outer coating, use cornflakes seasoned with garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, and black pepper. Crush them up with your hands and then add in some avocado oil to help the coating stick to the crumbs. Add white vinegar and sea salt to some eggs, then whisk to combine. Coat the chicken strips in the egg mixture and then into the cornflake crumbs. Lay these in an air fryer basket, spray with some oil, and then air fry at 350 for about 7 to 8 minutes. Spread a good amount of mayo on a heated tortilla, add lettuce, cheese, your crispy chicken, and enjoy.
21 million. That's how many views this garlic parm chicken and potato skillet got from my buddy Cooking in the Midwest. Starting a new series where I recreate some of my creator friends' most viral recipes, and we're going with Luke's first. I cubed up 2 large russet potatoes, hit them with some olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic and paprika. Gave them a toss and into the air fryer at 400 degrees for around 20 minutes. Cutting up a couple of large chicken breasts in whatever size you desire. Melted down a couple of tablespoons of butter on medium heat and then threw that chicken in the pan along with some paprika, onion powder, and Italian seasoning. Let that chicken cook down, and then we added a couple of tablespoons of minced garlic. Instead of removing that moisture from the chicken cooking down, I left it and added that garlic parm sauce so it would give this a creamy consistency. Added those potatoes and mixed all that up. Some cheese on the top, and then we put this in the oven at 375 until that cheese had a chance to melt. I could definitely see why this got 21 million views, and we'll
Now, I cannot be the only one who eats this. Now, baby, I'm from the South, okay? So I'm about to show you some real country eating. So come on if you ain't scared. Now, I've been eating this for as long as I can remember. And I know the name on this can says salmon. But baby, we finna make some salmons, okay? Yes, I said salmon, like the name. Don't ask me what are called that. Some things in life you just don't question. It is what it is. Now, I'm also gonna make some macaroni and cheese to go with this. I'm grabbing the Great Value brand, of course. I'm grabbing the green beans, family size can. Now, the only real ingredient you need to make the salmons are some self-rising flour. So I'm just gonna grab the smallest package, which is $2.44. So this is what I'm getting for this meal. The subtotal is gonna be $9.98. And bam, look at that. Look at that. You cannot tell me that's not no good eating. Baby, with the biscuit bread on the side. Look at it. Look at it. Now, I really don't know why they're called salmons. I feel like a man named Simon just made them one day, and they were so good, and the people were like, instead of calling these salmon patties, we're just gonna call them salmon after you. So let me know in the comments if you would eat